This is a little video of my Smeter for my Minerva Tropic Master. I'm powering up the radio now. Ahead of the Smeter is a 10 ohm and a 6 ohm resistor, which gives me about 4.7 ohms. It's in parallel with the meter. Now the needle goes to the right, then it starts locating on a signal. I'm on broadcast right now. I'll keep the volume low. As you come in on a station, it'll deflect to the left, and as the station gets weaker, it'll go to the right. I've tried to center this up as best as possible so that when the signal is at its weakest, the needle will be to the right more. I might need to do some more calibration on that resistor. So this is supposed to be a good signal.
This high priest. Now when you look at that, the office of the apostle and the high priest.
I'm tuning. I'm on the lower bands of the AM right now, or broadcast. And now I'm way deep on the low end of broadcast. I'll go to shortwave. I'm not real happy with the way well, it's doing its job, I guess. I'll turn the volume up a little bit here. See if I can't get any shortwave in. There's a weak station. If I fine adjust it, it's fading in and out. I'm not tuning the radio right now. The needle's just reacting to the signal weakness, and then it will probably drift and strengthen up a little bit. Maybe. I'll move on. I'm not sure what that is, but it's something. And there's another station, so you get the point. It seems like a viable circuit. Turn it off. It deflects to the left. I'll probably be mounting that right there. It's the only place where I've got enough real estate around the back to cut on the case. I'll probably use the original multimeter plastic cover. Here it is. That originally covered the needle. I'll probably end up placing that and trimming it a little somewhere in here. And this little guy will require me to notch out, or I can use a stepper bit and drill a couple of mounting hole screws for it, and then it'll be like this installed. The needle will be down, it powers up, the needle goes up, and then unfortunately an indication of a strong signal will be with the needle almost down. I'm not sure how to reverse that, but I don't really care. I'm just getting an Smeter working out of scrap stuff. So, with that said, hope you enjoyed.